Isifundazwe eMpumalanga esibhekene nezinselela zazo sehlulekile ukusingatha ingqungquthela soloke kwahamba uDavid Mabuza. uMandla Ndlovu oboleke ehamba phambili kwesihlalo weqembu uthi amalungu eANC avuma ngo-elethu ukuthi umengameli weqembu aphinde aphathe. Wamukelwe ngezandla ezifudumele lapha umengameli weqembu kulesi sifundazwe esasibophezela ekutheni kube nobumbano ngenkathi kubhekwe engqungqutheleni yokuqoka ubuholi eNazareth ngo-2017. Lesi sifundazwe sesivele saguquka manje sakubeka kwacaca ukuthi siseka uRamaphosa.
President CR is a leader of leaders. His followers are leaders. He gives his followers what they need, and his followers feel confident following him. They are voluntarily following him. They know that the ANC is safe in your hands, Comrade President. Comrade President, you are also safe in the hands of the ANC in Mpumalanga.
Kodwa ke umgqugquzeli wethimba lesikhashana esifundazweni noqaqele isikhundla sephini likanobhala wesifundazwe uLindiwe Ntshalintshali akahambisani nombono kaNdlovu.
Very premature because nationally hasn't yet opened these processes, and our organizational culture say you cannot start debating or discussing an item that is not open. Where we are as a province, we're still debating ourselves as the province to take ourselves to the provincial conference and our 3 regional conferences. By the time our policies and everything is done, we're ready for NGC, we shall start engage. You'll hear us.
Isifundazwe eMpumalanga besiloke siyizinda solowaye uhlalo weqembu uDavid Mabuza oseyiphini likaRamaphosa ikusasa lakhe elingacaci kahle. Ngingusamkele Maseko, izindaba zeSABC, ngibika ngisembombela eMpumalanga.